Well, hello, YouTube. It's me, Tri-State EDC, with a mystery Amazon package. I didn't buy anything off Amazon. I can confirm that. Feels like a knife box, so we're going to record it. And if it's a knife, you'll get to see this video. If not, I don't even know who I'm talking to right now. The void. The void. Showed up yesterday at like, I don't know, 8 p.m. I don't know. We're going to get in here, see what's going on together right now. That is right. Mystery Amazon box. Bag. Sack. Sack we're going to use. What are we going to use? Why not? Let's use the Mustache Shaman. We were talking about shamans on a recent live stream. This is mine. If you're wondering, like, well, Tri-State doesn't talk about the classics ever. It's because I'm beyond. I have ascended beyond the classics. The Shaman's a classic. Flytanium, titanium scales, black Cerakoted, gold polish backspacer, gold polish mustache. Yeah. This one's mine, pimped out by the Knife Modders. Shout out. Hope they're doing well. Love you guys. That's what we're going to use. That's what we're going to use. What is this? Trivisa. Ooh, it's been a minute. Make it rain, I guess. Anyway, that's my shaman. You're welcome. Trivisa, huh? Better materials and craftsmanship. Better than who? Better than me? Wouldn't be hard to do. Ooh. Phoenix Pearly S35 VN Black G10 S35. Is this one of those pimped out jobs, Trivisa? What's going on, dude? The last couple of Trivisas I reviewed were budget offerings, but they were really good. They just stylistically, aesthetically not for me, right? So I'm hoping maybe this one is. I like their box, kind of like paint splatter, gold leaf paint splatter. I don't know. Money shot. There you go. Is this another murder knife? What is this? Not. That's just a sticker. Okay. A lot of paperwork. A little potato sack. Cleaning cloth. Okay. And a big old kniffy. A big old boy. What we got here? God, big heavy ass knife. That is a heavy ass knife. Okay. Let's pack all that. Let's get all that back in there. Get out of here. God, my desk is a mess. The Trivisa. I already forget. What's it called? The Phoenix. The Trivisa Phoenix. Okay. Right off the rip. Contoured carbon fiber scales. Exposed stainless liners. G10 backspacer. Oh no, it says G10, but it looks. Focus. Am I crazy? Looks like carbon fiber. It is G10 though. That's what the thing says. It is contoured. We have what appears to be Timascus on the pivot collar on both sides. Future me, is it real? I don't know. Big old flipper tab, flipper only kind of knife. Milled titanium pocket clip. S35 VN. Okay. Big, dense. It's not huge, right at PM2 size, but it's heavy, man. Heavy. Size comparison, pair 3, PM2, right at PM2 size. Lengthwise, maybe just a hair longer, closed. Yeah, about like a 1/10 of an inch longer. Obviously longer than the pair 3. Not a small knife. Not a small knife. Let's pop her open. Boom, look at that. Okay. Giving me kind of Shirogorov vibes, ever so slightly. Not hard to do. The Shirogorovs are just, they look like knives. You know what I mean? They just look like knives. This looks like a knife. Okay. Pretty minimal hardware. Looks like T6 on the body. T8 on the pivot. Hidden hardware on the clip. Is this titanium? It's either that or aluminum. I don't know. Liner lock. Lockup looks good. Feels good. Nice. Clean. Drop point style blade. Nice swedge. Tall flat grind. S35. Decent. Kind of a classic. S35. You can't really go wrong with it. Great steel. It's funny to me that S35 is kind of becoming like a budget steel now in comparison to the crazy stuff that we get from a lot of companies. Very nice looking. Open size comparison. PM2. Pair 3. Maybe. There it is. Yeah. Longer than both. About opened up half an inch. Maybe a full inch longer than the PM2 there. A couple inches longer than the pair 3. So full size knife. full girth, full length, full weight. You know what I'm saying? She's full. Now then, ergos, like I said, contoured handles, pretty hefty, but easy 4-finger grip for me, small to medium-sized hands. No jimping on the blade spine, but that feels good. I'm locked in. Choke up, hammer fist hit, good. No hot spots. Ironically enough, choke back, I do have small hands. A little bit of a hot spot on the clip there, but it's not horrible. If I choke up where you're supposed to put your hands, nothing. Feels good. Feels great. No finger choil. We do have a sharpening choil, but the placement's kind of funky. I don't know. It's way up here against the handles. I don't know. I don't know how much life you're going to get out of that, but whatever. Anyway, yeah, feels good. No issues. Focus. Focus, pocus. Thank you. Feels good. You can kind of trigger pull it. It's a little sketchy. Got to be honest with you. Pinch grip. You can 60% maybe if in a pinch. You know what I'm saying? You can. I don't know if I would recommend it, but you can. You can. 60, 50, maybe 50% of the day. Yeah, it feels good. Good feeling knife in the hand. No texturing at all. No extra grippiness. Kind of just relies on the ergonomic lines of the knife, but it's comfortable. I wouldn't go into combat with it. You know what I mean? If you work on oil wells, might want to avoid this one. Are you an oil? I'm an oil man. Anyway, good. Like I said, lockup's solid. Bead blast finish on the blade, not my favorite. It tends to rust for some reason, no matter what the steel is. But yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, really nice lockup. Action on bearings. Hello? I think it's either bearings or like Teflon or nylon washers in there. Oh God, that's really bright. It's really hard to tell. Detent's delightful. Flipper only. Nice. And oh my gosh, that's really smooth. Light switch it. Ooh. It's hard to tell if that's bearings or washers. It's kind of got that washer feel to it. Ooh. Oh, it's smooth. Great access to the lock bar. Easy to disengage. Drops to the thumb. And then it just kind of glides shut. Oh, that's so good. Detent's great. Can I fail it? Ooh, almost. It's not like a super crispy detent, but it works really well. I can fail it. If I like push button it, I'm a lazy bum. Sure. But I gotta really try to fail it. If you light switch it, dude, you're rocketing that thing open every time. Yeah, that feels great. Comment section or future me. Bearings or washers? I cannot tell. It is glossy, glassy, buttery smooth on the close. Really nice detent though. A lot of weight behind that blade too. Oh, so satisfying. Okay, Trivisa, I see you. Good acoustics too. Makes a good noise. Really loud. Very noisy knife. All right. Okay, the Phoenix from Trivisa. S35VN. Really tall flat grind. Not a full flat, but a really tall flat grind. Relatively thick blade stock. Pretty darn thick stock. But looks like a toothy edge. We'll see. Let me grab some paper. We got to cut some real quick. What kind of nonsense do we have today? Not even going to get into it. Will it cut? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, she cuts. Oh, she cuts, baby. Nice factory edge. A little bit of grit, a little bit of tooth to it, but slicey nonetheless. I kind of like a little bite on my edges. I tend to sharpen my own edges to like 800 grit at most, especially if it's a knife I'm going to use a lot. Lovely. Lovely. Trivisa. Blown away. Future me, what's the price on this bad boy? I'm assuming this is like a more premium build, but it's still G10 stainless and S35VN. It's just kind of a more premium steel than I'm used to seeing on Trivisas. I can only assume pretty affordable. So, price? Thank you. That's the Phoenix. Links down below. I'm assuming Amazon, so I'll link Amazon down below. If you're ever shopping on Amazon, use my Amazon link. It helps the channel tremendously. Even if you're just buying, you need a new phone charger. Click that Amazon link down below. It's a huge help. Especially if you're buying a new TV, furniture, Christmas shopping. Click that link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it's a massive help to me, and it's a great free way to support the channel. Just a thought. Just putting it out there. I would do it for you. Just saying. But there you go. Like I said, links down below. Sick. Even though it's a flipper only, it's really well done, and it's you know, it's a very clean, simple knife design that works exceptionally well. Like, I have no notes. Grab one for yourself. Like the video, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, Patreon member. Hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. I'm out there. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now.